How to fix Leagues of Legends Vanguard Error Van 57. First step, restart your device. Close Leagues of Legends and Riot Client. Restart your device. Move on with next step. Open Riot Client. Click Profile Icon. Click Settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click the Leagues of Legends. Click it and scroll down. Click Repair and start repair. Wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. So be patient, wait for some time. Once complete after, move on with next step. Open run and type the following text. Services.msc, click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Click it. Right click, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic on the service status should be in running mode. Click OK. One more time right click and restart it. Close it. Next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Scroll down. Search for Riot Client and Leagues of Legends. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the Leagues of Legends and Riot Client application is not having means you need to add the application. For adding, click Allow another app in the bottom side. And click Browse. Go to Riot Games. Go to Riot Client, you get the Riot Client application. Go to Leagues of Legends folder, you get the Leagues of Legends application. Click it and click Add in the bottom side. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click Add and enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. After completing, you need to click the This PC. Click it and make sure the C drive have enough memory space. If you're not having the enough memory space means sometimes the error will occur. Then right click, click Properties, click Tools and scan the drive. Successfully scanned. Close it. Then the last and final step, click Settings. Click Network and Internet Settings. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset and click Reset now. Thank you.